Alright, I cleaned the throttle body front and back, year 11 for this car, and 157,000 miles. Cleaned that, and I used electronics cleaner. So I also used a toothbrush on that. I did not force the throttle body open. I was very gentle with it. So I would spray the electronics cleaner on the toothbrush. At one time I think I sprayed just a little bit in there. Generally I just sprayed it on the toothbrush, agitated the carbon or on there, carbon, dirt, whatever, and then I just wiped it out with a paper towel. I did that on both sides. Yeah. Here's the other side. And this is the original throttle body. I used very little of the electronic cleaner because I did not want any of the electronic cleaner to get into any, if there's like a bearing over on this side for that throttle plate, I did not want the cleaner getting into that bearing right there, or sleeve or whatever it is, and then right here that drives the throttle plate, I did not want to get any of this cleaner down in that cavity of this box here. There's a circuit board and some gears, and then here's the motor. There's the motor right there. But yeah, I was very careful with that. So anyway, it's cleaned up, ready to be installed again.